Welcome, everybody. My name is KB. Welcome to the channel. Um, Today, we're about to we're going to talk about cryptocurrency. Our first video, we went through what is blockchain and then the reasons behind blockchain being a good technology. Today, we're going straight to the cryptocurrency itself. And as I said in the first video, without blockchain, there's no cryptocurrency. And once you know a little bit about cryptocurrency, or I'm sorry, once you know a little bit about blockchain, you'll be comfortable in investing in a cryptocurrency. So let's jump straight to it. What is cryptocurrency? Or some people call it short crypto. It's a digital asset that can be circulated without the need for central monetary authorities such as government and banks. Instead, cryptocurrencies are created using cryptography techniques that enable people to buy and sell them securely. So, put it in a layman's term, cryptocurrency is a digital asset where you can trade or you can buy and sell without a government or a bank being the middleman or regulating it. That's pretty much cryptocurrency. So most of the companies coming now, instead of issuing their shares as Apple shares or Amazon shares, cryptocurrency companies coming now are issuing cryptocurrencies, either token or a coin. It depends on the use of it. So, to put it in the simplest term, a cryptocurrency is an asset, a digital asset that you can buy and sell or trade on the market without so many restrictions like the traditional market that we have. Um, so Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are supported by the blockchain technology. As I said in my first video, without blockchain, there's no cryptocurrencies. So it maintains a temper-resistant record of transactions and it keeps track of who owns what. The creation of a blockchain address, a problem faced by previous efforts to create purely digital currencies, preventing people from making copies of their holdings and attempting to spend them twice. Individual units of cryptocurrency currencies can be referred to as a coin or token, like I mentioned earlier on. It can be a coin or a token, depending on the use. So you can some cryptocurrencies, token or coins are intended to be a unit of exchange for goods and services. Others are store of value, like Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is a store of value, and some are mostly designed to help run a computer network that can carry out more complex financial transactions. So, in a layman's term, you can transact cryptocurrencies in either a token or a coin, depending on the use of the crypto, and then the transactions can be done very easily. Okay, let's move on. One common way a cryptocurrency are created is through a process known as mining. Bitcoin, you can get free Bitcoin by mining a Bitcoin, but the process is going through to mine a Bitcoin is not that easy. So you have big companies buying and mining rigs and then they mine the Bitcoin. So mining the Bitcoin doesn't mean you going out there and digging for it like mining gold. No, this is all digitally. So you solve a computer problem online and then you receive a Bitcoin. So that's what the term mining means. So you solve a mathematical very hard problem on the network, and then in doing so, you are rewarded with a Bitcoin. So when we say mining, and that's what we mean. Um, so mining can be energy intensive. Yeah, Bitcoin mining can be energy intensive. As I think a couple of months ago, there was a lot of big deal about how Bitcoin mining uses like a lot of energy, and then energies that are being produced by fossil fuel. So it kind of dipped the market that time frame. And since then, I think a lot of people are now mining Bitcoin with like solar energy and wind power and stuff like that. So I think that situation is being fixed right now as we speak. Um, Mining can be energy, like I said earlier, mining can be energy intensive process in which computers solve a complex puzzle in order to verify authenticity of a transaction on the network. As a reward, the owners of those computers are receive newly created cryptocurrency. Other cryptocurrency uses method to create and distribute token and have a significant higher environmental impact. And this all is saying, say we use like a lot of energy in mining Bitcoin per se. There are a lot of different cryptocurrencies that don't use the mining part. They mine, but they use a different version of the mining, which is energy effective. But as far as Bitcoin is concerned, it uses like a lot of energy. Yeah. Okay, so let's move on. How to buy cryptocurrency safely. Yeah, that's one of the questions I get all the time from my other channels. Because coming into cryptocurrency investments, if you're not careful, people will take your money and run with. There's been so many instances when newly people come into cryptocurrency investment and they lose a lot of money because they don't have the education, they don't have the mentorship, and then they just jump in and they make bad investment when it comes to cryptocurrency investment. So how do how do you buy cryptocurrency safely, which is very important. Buying cryptocurrency safely involve four basic steps. The first step is decide where to buy it. Decide where to buy it. So we have so many mediums or platforms where we can buy crypto. We have centralized exchanges and we have decentralized exchanges. So there are popular exchanges out there that are some are government regulated. There are exchanges out there that are not government regulated. So you need to do a research. You need to do a very good research in order to find out which secure way or which medium, which exchange, to buy your cryptocurrency at. So in short, to go there are many ways to buy cryptocurrency safely. Through most accessible method for beginners is likely to be centralized exchange, like I mentioned earlier. Centralized exchanges are exchanges that are companies that are also owned by people. So you go there, you register an account, you can link your bank account, your credit debit card, and you buy the cryptocurrency through that way. So those are the ones called centralized exchanges. Centralized exchanges act as a third party overseeing transaction to give customers confidence that they are getting the way they pay for. What they pay for. Centralized exchanges make sure the transaction. So they pretty much a third party. You go through them to buy your crypto. So they're pretty much a third party. Centralized exchanges are typically sell crypto at the market rate and they make money on fees. Yeah, they charge fees. Some fees are very high, some have low fees. Regardless of where you go, there's going to be fees aspect when buying or selling crypto. If you are more accustomed to traditional brokerage account, there are few online that offer access to cryptocurrency, but not that much. We have some of the brokerages like the traditional market brokerages also sell crypto, but they have limited amount of cryptocurrencies you can buy on there. They don't have all the cryptocurrencies. So it's pretty much going to be the same like buying stocks on a regular stock market. They also sell crypto to you, but they have a limited supply of crypto. Yeah, I'm not gonna mention their names. They're out there. There's a whole bunch of them out there. Um, if you're looking for an exchange that operates solely within the cryptocurrency world, look for pure play crypto exchanges. We have some crypto exchanges. All they do is just crypto, nothing else. Yeah, and they have, as time is going on, they add some more product to their business. Um, so let me move on to number two. Choose how you will pay. Man, I think I've mentioned it before. Choose how you pay. The second one is choose how you will pay. Let me read this, man. While there are thousands of cryptocurrencies being traded around the world, yeah, you'll find that the most popular option are widely available for purchase in fiat currencies such as US dollar. Okay, what you're saying is you can buy cryptocurrencies using your form of currency that you have in your country. So if it's a fiat system, he's talking about CDs, naira, dollar, pound sterling. So anytime you go to a cryptocurrency exchange, they will have an option there which type of money or which type of fiat that you can use. So if you're here in the US, you can use the US dollar. If you're in Europe, you can use some of the fiat that they have in Europe. Africa has mobile money and some of those CDs and stuff that you can use. So it's very simple and self-explanatory when it comes to what type of money you can or what type of fiat you can use to buy a crypto. It's all gonna depend on the exchange that you go on. Some of the exchanges will list more than one fiat. You know, maybe they will list the US dollar, they will list the pound sterling, they will list, whatever money that you have in your country. And number three is add value to your account. Depending on how you choose to pay, you may have to found your account before purchasing any crypto. Yeah, some of the exchanges, if you don't have online banking that you can link your checking account or savings account or credit card or debit card. They also have a system where you can do a wire transfer to your account to fund your account, and then from there you can use the money that you founded with your account to purchase crypto. So that's what he's talking about. Add value to your account. Most exchanges allow debit and bank transfers. Like I said, some also allow you to fund purchase with your credit card. Through this can be risky move with a volatile asset like cryptocurrency because interest costs can depend on your losses if your investment decline in value. Okay. If you already own a cryptocurrency, you can transfer it into your account from a digital wallet or another platform. Yes, that's another way you can also buy a cryptocurrency. You can go to a cryptocurrency exchange. Maybe you don't want to use your credit card, debit card, or bank account, but if you have a cryptocurrency, a type of cryptocurrency, you can transfer to that platform and use that cryptocurrency to exchange for another crypto that you want to buy. So that's another way of also buying. Number four, select a cryptocurrency. Uh, there are many options for cryptocurrency investors. Through there are none that are likely to be right for everyone. Before you buy, ask yourself what goals, what goals, what are your goals for the investment that you are making? Uh, so you are hoping it will be increase in value. We always come into investment to increase our value. So you have to make sure the type of cryptocurrency you buy will increase in value. Are you interested in carrying out a transaction using cryptocurrency? Are you interested in using underlying technology via decentralized apps? Decentralized apps that you register that don't ask you for all your information. Centralized exchanges will ask for your social security number, your date of birth, your address, and all this information to make sure it's you. Decentralized apps don't ask for that. Sometimes all they need is your name and your email address and phone number. Sometimes not even a phone number, email address. You register. Sometimes not even a email address. You just go online, App Store or Play Store or wherever. You download the app. All you need is your email and username and password, and then you're gone. So those are the decentralized exchanges. It's very private and nobody knows you buying what. Yeah. Um, there are different type of cryptocurrencies out there. There's a whole bunch, um, and they are all like when I go here, crypto gecko cryptocurrencies are labeled or they are numbered based on their market cap. So Bitcoin is number one, Ethereum, USDT, BNB coin, USD coin, and then once you scroll down, it goes all the way to number 100 on the first page. And all this is ranked based on their market cap, how big they are, how much money that people have already put in it. So first page goes to 100, and then you go to page two, there's another 100. So right now there's over, I think, 15,000 cryptocurrencies that we have in the world, and every crypto is doing different thing. Yeah, they all have their own use cases. So let's go back here. Um, you can create a wallet. It's easy to create a wallet. There's another topic that I'll treat. It's very easy to create a wallet with cryptocurrencies. In order to move your cryptocurrencies to a point, you need a system. We have a wallet that you download and then you transfer your cryptos to. Um, so right now, Bitcoin is the first and most valuable cryptocurrency. Ethereum is number two. It's commonly used to carry financial transactions. There's a lot of stuff built on Ethereum. You have Cardano, Litecoin, Solana, Dogecoin, and we also have stable coins. Stable coins are a class of cryptocurrencies where value are designed to stay stable relative to the real world assets such as the US dollar. So stable coins are always $1 to $1 stable coin. They don't go up and then they don't go down. They are stable. That's why they call stable. The name even says it's stable. So anytime you sell a cryptocurrency that you don't want to convert it to your fiat system right away, you can put it in a stable coin because it's one for one. So you're not going to lose value. You're not going to gain value. And then once you're ready to use it again, and then you can go ahead and use it. That's why they call stable coins. Um, Keeping crypto safe. Um, once you decide to buy crypto and determine which cryptocurrency that you want to invest in, your next decision will be how you want to store it safely. Yeah. Uh, there's an important choice. Crypto asset require private keys. Yeah, private keys. So which anytime you download a wallet, there's something we call private keys, which through the process it will tell you what your private keys is. Write it down and keep it in a safe place. Because one thing about crypto wallets, I don't want to go into the wallet so much because it's another topic on its own. But anytime you lose a phone or you change a phone and you try to recover that wallet, you'll need that private keys, to recover your wallet. I won't go into details because that's a topic on its own. One platform that you can also store cryptocurrency storage. Some people choose to keep it in their cryptocurrency exchanges. Some of the exchanges is fine to keep your crypto over there, but if you don't know where the exchange is based and what the management is, what are their plans and stuff like that, I don't recommend keeping your crypto in an exchanges. It's better to keep crypto in your own wallet. Okay. Pros and cons of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies inspires passionate opinion across the spectrum of investors. Here are a few reasons that some people believe it is a transformation technology, while other worry is fate. Yeah, is field. Learn more. You can go online, type cryptocurrencies in, and it gives you a lot of information about if cryptocurrencies, the pros and cons. Supporters see cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin as the currency of the future. and are racing to buy them now, presumably before they become more valuable, which is true because 2, 3, 4 years ago, Bitcoin was very cheap. Now it's very high. So people are coming in to buy it so that in the near future, when it goes really, really high, they'll be already in the system. Some supporters like the fact that cryptocurrency removes central bank from managing the money supply, since over time these banks tend to reduce the value of the money via inflation. Like the problem we're facing in the world right now is inflation. Because of this COVID, all this world government printed a lot of money. And anytime you print money, hey, inflation is gonna creep up regardless. You cannot avoid that. And a lot of people think cryptocurrency is a solution to that. So right now, Bitcoin per se, a lot of people are putting their money in Bitcoin because they want to flee inflation. Because right now there's a lot of inflation in the world everywhere, not just one place. Um, Managing cryptocurrency risk. Yeah. I'll treat this topic by its own myself. This I just want to glance through a lot of stuff to let people know there's not all like when you come to crypto, you're gonna make money, money, money. There's a lot of risk as well. Okay, so let's go. Cryptocurrency is relatively rich investment, no matter which way you slice it. Generally speaking, high risk investment should make up a small part of the of your overall portfolio. All it's saying is make sure you invest in projects that are solid. The projects that are lotto, like you about to tier lotto, be careful with those projects. So every what it's saying is 10%. Only 10% of your portfolio should be risky investment. The rest should be in a project that you think or that have use cases. Always invest in projects that have use cases. That will save you a lot of headache. Mm, Cryptocurrency legal and taxes issues. Every country is different. There's some countries that are uh, uh, electing to go to use cryptocurrency as their legal tender. I think we have about maybe 5 countries in the world right now that are using cryptocurrency as their legal tender. More are coming in. So it depends on the country you live. So, once you come into crypto, you have to consult your tax persons for them to, explain what the law is saying about cryptocurrency, if you make profit or if you lose. So to conclude it, I don't want to keep this video too long. So to conclude it, cryptocurrency investment is the future. There's no doubt about it. That's where the world is going. So the earlier, the better. All it is a digital asset that you can buy or sell. You can also use to purchase product. There are a lot of website online retailers out there right now that accept cryptocurrencies. So pretty much to say that's where the world is going. So I'm trying to also have my people come in because if you don't come into crypto investment right now, in the next 5, 10 years, you're gonna regret it. That's where the world is going, regardless of what somebody says. And let me make this clear: people that don't have idea, or people that don't have clue, or people that don't know the technology, or people that don't know what is going on in the world, maybe sometimes I don't blame them so much because they've been scammed before with cryptocurrency. I always say this phrase: blockchain and cryptocurrency itself is not a scam, but somebody can use it to scam you. There's two different things. The thing is legitimate, but somebody can use it to scam you. So it's not just cryptocurrency. Everything in the world that is not a scam, but people can use it to scam you. That doesn't mean that asset or that particular technology is a scam. It's not. Especially when it comes to Africa, you explain it to somebody in Africa, since they have no clue what is going on. The first thing that comes out of their mouth is a scam. No, it's not a scam. I'm a testament of it. I've been investing in crypto for a while now, and I've made a lot of profit, investing in it than what I did in the traditional market. And then I also used myself as an example. When I first came into crypto, I was scammed. But that doesn't mean the technology or cryptocurrency itself is a scam. So that I'll leave it out here. Is very lucrative. When you come in, you need a mentor. You need a mentor for sure. When you come in, do your research. Make sure you don't fall for these scams that are out there that are promising 100, 200, whatever percentage. No. And one thing I also say about crypto investing is you don't give your money to somebody to go invest in crypto for you. You invest on your own. The money is with you. You become your own bank. You make profit. You see it in your portfolio. You lose money. You see it in your portfolio. So my best advice is don't ever give your money to a platform that promises you will give you 100% a day. If you do that, you're gonna fall into that path where a lot of people have fallen into, where they get scammed by a company or a group of people. But the digital asset itself is not a scam. That's where the world is going. So let's go over there too with them, and be successful. Let's come into crypto, make our mind that we coming in to invest in the long term, in our future. We want to make wealth. Right now, all the rich people, all the people that have a lot of money are taking their money from the fiat system into cryptocurrencies. So that tells you that's where the world is going. So we don't want to sit on the sideline and wait the next 5, 10 years before we realize, hey, I should have come in 5, 10 years ago. Regardless of whatever somebody says to you, if you don't have the education, if you don't have the knowledge, I find somebody that can hold your hand and help you through the process. It's very lucrative, but you need to be patient. You need to be patient when you come into cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency investment is not getting rich quick overnight. It takes time to build that wealth. So once you come in, you get a good mentor. They'll hold your hands. They will show you which project, to invest in, which cryptocurrency exchanges to buy from, what type of wallet to store your crypto in, and the whole 9 yards. And then even the blockchain, I will advise young people to come into the blockchain. There's so many courses out there, free courses out there that you can take to become a blockchain expert. Once you become a blockchain expert, sky is the limit. You can sit in Ghana, you can sit in Nigeria, you can sit in any African country and get a very lucrative or a very good paying job abroad, either i.e. being in the US, Europe. In the next 5 to 10 years, there's gonna be a blockchain developer, what you might call it. There's gonna be a need for blockchain developers. So it's going to be in demand. Those people are going to be in demand. So if you set yourself up right now, in the next 5, 10 years, you will get a very comfortable job. And most of the blockchain jobs, you can even work from home. You don't have to go to brick and mortar to work, set your alarm clocks and getting up in the morning and going to work. A lot of the jobs are online. So my advice to Ghanaians and Africans and the people at home and even people in the diaspora is, don't be scared in investing in cryptocurrencies. As long as you get a mentor, do your homework, do your research, invest in a solid projects that have use cases. You will never go wrong that way. And it takes time. You build your portfolio gradually. You don't, people ask me all the time, so KB, how much do I need before I can invest in crypto? You can even start with 5 CDs, 50 CDs, 100 CDs, $100. Whatever amount of money that you have, you can start investing in cryptocurrency. All you do is, over time, you accumulate. Over time, you accumulate. By the time you know you've accumulated to a certain point, the cryptocurrency company that you invested in grows, become a big company, and your money also grows with it. The value of your money also goes up. So my advice is, I'll leave it here. Come and let's all make this money with crypto. Thank you.